black sedan. High rated speed is reaching to the south, coming up to H.
South H. Pinium 2774. Eastbound Benefit. Light traffic. Speeds of 50. Coming up to the middle to the medium traffic there. Going up over the hill right here. Medium traffic. Inside that lane. Get him on the sticks. Still right behind him. Speeds are 70, approaching 72nd. Alright, man, green light at 72nd, approaching the red. I'm gonna see if I can channel to go south of the road. South Green Bay, South Green Bay.
Check the negative.
Speeds are going to be 55. I'm going to have county coming in with me here.
North 87.
10-4 approaching Bank Station. Speeds are 90. Lane 2. Speeds 105. Light traffic. Still coming in towards you. Still going south. Slowing down 70 miles an hour. Alright, speeds are 87 and increasing, passing Meyer Distribution.
Outside lane 3, outside lane.
209 speeds 105, approaching 95th, lane 2.
Just take lane 1.
Good stick, southbound from 95th, right tires. Southbound speeds are 70 and increasing, approaching 104th. No traffic. Road conditions good.
It's up! You gotta move back! Slow down! Slow down! Slow down! We're fine! Slow down! Slow down! Turn the sirens off! Turn the sirens off! Turn the sirens off! Turn the sirens off! Everybody chill out.
You disobey our commands, the police dogs will bite you. Do you understand?
Get out and walk toward that police dog. That's fine. Do not run.
Hands visible.
I'm fine. He hit Armando.
Yeah, several times.
Keep those hands visible, driver. Crawl out with your hands visible.
Yeah. Walk out, walk towards that dog, otherwise we're letting it go. Get out.
Do not run.
Alright, you guys got it. Take command.
Step back towards us, step back towards us. You got hands. Step back, keep going. Anyone else in the car? Keep coming back. Drop to your knees. You move your hands.
We need you to put your hands up for you.
Who else in the car?
Weapons? In the car, yes. What's in the car? Concealed carry, Glock.
You're under arrest.
Is there any two in the car?
It's all break. It's not gonna go out.
I'm not gonna get it. Hold on. Can you see it there? Alright, there we go. Alright, we're good. Code 401 in custody. They're clearing the vehicle now.
We're speeding. Just so you know, you're being charged with homicide, okay? For your actions right there. 100%.
Hit it, right? Without the bumper? Alright.
Don't plan on getting out.
Never seen so much. Never seen something new.
You piss yourself too? You yourself the same?
Step back. 9-8, we're gonna need Lake County for a crash stock. Hold it. Your car's done.
Are you okay though?
Yeah, I'm fine.
So you had at least 3 counts of attempt homicide. And I'm gonna be very confident in that charge. You intentionally struck multiple squad cars for a speeding violation. And a stop sign violation.
That's it.
So there's more in there? Thank you. Hold. Welcome to the prairie.
Did not try to strike anybody. I was definitely just trying to get out of the way, but it's alright, it's fine. We have cameras. What's going on, dude? How you doing, boss? You okay? Yeah, they hit me a couple times, but it wasn't anything damaging to me.
Alright. Did you take anything tonight?
Oh yeah.
What'd you take?
Crack and cookie.
Okay.
Yep.
And how long ago did you do it?
Probably, just all day.
All day?
Yeah.
When did you do it last?
Like, probably right before I left Target.
Okay.
So pretty much as soon as he came and got me, so probably like 10, 15, 20 minutes.
Okay. And you're sure you don't want to take it to the hospital?
I'm okay now.
Okay. Do you know how much you took?
Today, crack, about 70 G's, and then coke probably 2.